Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is May 31st, 2019. Your source of news before any trade decision. I'm going to give you all an update on Aurora Cannabis for today. Before I get started, you understand that we do have a website, HueFinancial.com. If you all want to make sure that you're updated on any of the stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, gold, silver, whatever the case may be, that we notice a dramatic change occurring, definitely want to go ahead and check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com. If not, hit that bell notification so you all become notified of when we produce these type of videos. Last time we did our video for Aurora Cannabis was on the 24th of May, of which we stated that Aurora Cannabis was going to continue to move to the downside. Today, the market in Aurora Cannabis is down by 5%. It has came and hit our price target objective. 4.32% target has been hit. Literally, it was hit yesterday in the market. One of the reasons why we're coming in and updating you today. So, considering that this was a very profitable simulated trade, we could go ahead and get rid of that one. And we're going to give you all an update of what we're seeing on the price charts. Monthly time frame for Aurora Cannabis. Again, massive indication of weakness on the monthly time frame. Tells us that the indication of weakness is still ongoing in the market for Aurora Cannabis in the long term. Weekly time frame, Aurora Cannabis, you can see that the weakness is still apparent. We're still moving to the downside in this particular stock. We are still expecting it to move to the downside in the weekly time frame. Daily time frame, again, ending today's day, the market, if it's closed towards the $7.50 price or the low of that price bar, then this market continues to give us some weakness and the movement to the downside is still in play. So literally, I am expecting the market in Aurora Cannabis to try its hand right there around that $7 price. Might fall a little bit higher, but let me see here. I would say between $7.25 to $7 is what we're expecting the market in Aurora Cannabis to go. Now, this is all in American dollars, not the Canadian dollar. Just to give you all a heads up on that. So real quick, I'm going to go ahead and put in another sell position because we're expecting the market in Aurora Cannabis to continue to move to the downside, and we're going to place it right here around that ascending line in the space. Now when you look at it, a 7.64% movement to the downside to go in Aurora Cannabis. That's going to take a while. Okay, so the market is expected to maybe bounce between this resistance line up here and then our ascending line right there. But overall, the weakness is still dominating this particular stock. We are seeing indications for it to move lower, and the weakness is coming in right there around $8. Okay, so this is our new price target objective of what we're expecting the market in Aurora Cannabis to go. We are expecting it to move to the downside eventually. I would say I would take simulated profit between $7.25 and $7. So let's bring it up there to $7.25 to see how much it will be. So it's about 4.61% profit to the downside that we're expecting to recoup, and then ultimately $7. Okay, so the market is not giving us any indications of strength right now. We're still expecting this stock to move to the downside. Give us your thoughts, give us your opinion. Subscribe to our channel, hit that like button, share the videos, and as well check us out at our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to get this very simple to easy to understand chart predictions. Make sure y'all maintain your profitability. I will see you all later.